Hello everybody, this is Lauren of Plan Mosh Plan. Welcome back to another plan with me. This week I am memory planning the week of May 11th. Oh my god, I'm so behind. I'm not saying what planner that I'm using anymore. This is just a standard size planner. I am using this kit from Sweetbellaxoxo called Princess something or other, I think. I don't know. It's just really, really beautiful. I love Sweetbellaxoxo kits and just her shop in general, honestly. I just am editing a haul that I filmed like over the course of the past month or so, and I was like editing myself talk about Sweetbellaxoxo because I have a ton of stuff coming in from her right now, and I was talking about how I just love her kits. Like, the paper is beautiful, her foiling is beautiful, but even more so, the stickers within her kits are just like so delicate. And I don't know, I say this all the time, but like different sticker shops have different, the same kind of stickers in their kit, but all done in a different style. And those different styles matter to me so much. Hers, like the style she does her stuff in, is just so dainty and beautiful, and I love it. So this was really fun to plan in, and I also got to use rose gold foil, which I didn't use a lot in spring, so that was really nice. Okay, I'm just laying down the base. I am going to go answer. I still have a ton of questions from when I asked in February. I'm slowly but surely kind of getting through these. So I'm almost done though, so I'll probably ask for some more on my Instagram soon, or you can always leave them in the comments of my videos too if there's anything you'd like to hear me talk about. It definitely makes my job easier when I do voiceovers. Okay, letters to Apollo. Jess, she asked any travel plans, and this is hilarious because again I asked for these questions I think at the end of February, and none of us could have seen this coming. So yeah, I had a lot of travel plans at the time that she asked that. I figured I'd talk about them anyways. Most of them have been canceled, but I was traveling a lot in February, just kind of like little weekend trips away, and then sorry if you can hear the fireworks, by the way, it's nonstop. If I wait for the fireworks, and like they're during the day here where I live, I won't ever film a voiceover until like August. Anyways, so I was going to go to Stagecoach in April, and I was possibly going to go to San Diego for my friend's birthday in April. Obviously none of that happened. And then July, I was going to do something. I can't remember what. Not flying, I don't think, because I didn't have to cancel that plane ticket. July, Tahoe, which I just came back from. We always go to Tahoe for 4th of July, so that still happened. We still did that. And we ended up going to Tahoe in May too, I think. And then July, we were also supposed to go to 2 weddings. Steven's brother was going to get married at the end of July, the last day of July 31st in Idaho, so we were going to fly out there for that. And then the next day, Steven was the best man in that wedding, and then the next day, one of his best friends was getting married in near Bend, Oregon that Saturday. So we were going to literally go to the wedding and then early morning on Saturday fly from Idaho to Oregon and book it there to make it just in time for the wedding. But unfortunately both of those got pushed off, so his brother's eloping, we're still gonna get him married, but the other wedding is gonna be next year. And then we're also supposed to go houseboating this summer. I don't know if that's still gonna happen. We're supposed to go to Hawaii in September with Steven's family. Don't know if that's still gonna happen. And then we were trying to figure out a way to go to Europe. My cousin was going to run the Berlin Marathon, and we were hoping to meet up with them in Germany for a little while and go to Oktoberfest, but that was kind of a bit of a pipe dream. So most of that has been canceled, but we're saving a lot of money and hoping, next year we'll bring different luck. So, oh God, this is my problem. I get through one question or 2 questions before I have to start going into the day by day. That's why I still have on questions from February. Okay, I'll answer more in the next plan with me. Everything so far, by the way, that I used was from the kit, except for the May script in the upper left-hand corner is from Rose Colored Days, and then I marked working from home in the sidebar, and that laptop is from Planning World. All right, on to the day by day. I marked that it was a rainy day with a flag from the kit. I love that you don't have to cut her flags down. They already are not this, they're smaller, what are the words I'm trying to find? They're shorter than the width of a standard size column, so I really like that. I put a bow over top that cloud from the clouds from a shop that's no longer open, but the bow is from the Giving Girl. Love her foiled bows. I mark working from home with my Panda Bird design stickers, the scallop and the laptop girl. I now have a coupon code for her. It's Lauren15. I'm super excited about it, but I'm even more excited for my freebie. It's so good. I can't wait. Sorry, I had to cough. I can't wait for you to see it because I'm so stoked. I marked meal planning with my cookbook with a Panda Bird design sticker, and then I put down the full box and marked my meetings with some stickers from the kit, and I also marked that we did a big kitchen clean this day with some more stickers from the kit. I love that she includes the icons, the icons that she includes in her kit. I just really like the style. They're foiled and they're doodly and they are multi-dimensional, and I just really enjoy those. Okay, moving on to Tuesday. This was a really boring day. I don't have like a lot of fun stuff to talk about on Tuesday. I just marked meetings the same way. I like that she has these cute little like arrow stickers, so I just use that to mark meetings for the whole week. And then again, marked working from home the same way every day too with the Panda Bird design stickers. I messed up that writing so badly on what day? Monday, but I just kind of left it. Okay, I put down a mandala. I can't remember where that one's from. I think from Honey Inked on Tuesday at the bottom there. And again, I didn't do very much. I worked really, really late this evening, so that's kind of all that I marked down here. I'm using a bowstring box from the Giving Girl. I can't remember where that work script is from. I apologize, but you know, there's a million foiled work scripts. And then I just kind of layered some deco from the kit, and then I'm also going to put down some hearts from Sticky Sloth Designs. I have a coupon code for her also. I think it's Plan Mosh Plan. I'm sure I've said this, I always say this, but you can find all of my coupon codes down below. I think I'm gonna talk about another question here because Wednesday was pretty boring and I don't really have anything fun and exciting to talk about on Wednesday. So Charblaze, I'm not sure how to say it, had asked me meal ideas now that you have your new cookbooks. And again, this is funny because she asked it in February when my cookbooks were new. I didn't think of an answer directly from my cookbooks, but I wanted to share something that we did this week while we were in Tahoe with Steven's family that they do every once in a while, and I just love it so much I could eat it every night, and it's very summery, so I thought I'd share. It's a like grilled vegetable chopped salad, and it's so good. So base of like romaine lettuce, really fresh lettuce, and then they grilled whatever vegetables you like, but they did at this past time I'm just talking about, they did asparagus and grilled corn all on the barbecue, and grilled bell peppers on the barbecue, and grilled white onions. So all those vegetables were grilled, and then they grilled some chicken too. And then for raw vegetables, there was tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions, and avocado, all mixed together with whatever dressing you like. This past week we had like a heart healthy kind of jalapeno ranch. I don't know the brand. I know it was from Whole Foods, but it was just kind of like a healthy organic one. And it was so good. Oh, and a little bit of feta cheese. And like that, I don't know. I just enjoyed that so much. And I could eat like a grilled vegetable chopped salad any day of the week. And I feel like it's healthy and it's summery, so that's kind of what I'm into right now. We're definitely going to do that again this week. All right. Also, sorry if you can hear the fireworks. I don't know if I mentioned that. They're getting louder, I think. Anyways, okay. I'll just quickly go over what I did on Wednesday here. Meetings. I marked a maintenance visit. That today little kind of script washi strip is from Paper Blush Bar. I have my coupon code for her down below too. That laundry day script is from Panda Bird Designs. And then the picking up coffee was from the kit, and the working late. The paperclip was from Paper Blush Bar also, and the working late. The quarter box I used is from my newest addiction. All right, so moving on to Thursday, I put down the full box up top, and it's so pretty. I'm not always super obsessed with fashion girls, but that one is just artistic, I think, and like the sketch of it with layered with like the florals, the watercolor florals, I think that's so beautiful. And then of course just working from home, more meetings. This must have been a pretty boring week, TBH. Oh yeah, until the weekend. I had a fun weekend, I guess. Anyways, and then I'm marking, Steven and I went for a walk. We actually walked down in Jack London Square, which was really fun and beautiful. And then we went out to like the marina kind of, and we're on the by the water. I don't know, it was just a nice walk, so that's why I marked it. I just used a half box and then some floral deco from the kit, and then I had to figure out a whole prescription thing that was kind of annoying. I don't really like how I marked that very much, but it's just a circle from the kit, and then that, I think that arrow is from Sticky Sloth Designs maybe, and then I put down some rose gold and pink bow washi from Simply Gilded, and I've heard people say before that like after some time their Simply Gilded washi will start to shadow, and I never knew what that meant and I never understood it. And then I pulled out this roll, which I guess I haven't used in a very long time, and it's years old, probably like 5 years old or something, and I was like, oh, mine's doing it, it's shadowed. So I need to get a new roll of that, I think, because it's pretty obvious. You can see like a shadow of the bow. But anyways, okay, on to Friday. I still was having days off because of COVID stuff, so I marked that with some stickers from the kit. I just layered it. I marked cleaning our hallway. You've heard me talk about this before. If this isn't your first plan with me of mine, if it is, I am just a germaphobe and I leave everything in my hallway for germs to die, and then I like Clorox and bleach everything, whatever. I just infect everything and put it all where it's supposed to go after that. The spray bottle is from White Deer Stationery, and the bow I layered over is from the Giving Girl, and then I marked Payday with a Panaber design script. And then down here I'm marking that we played Categories with Steven's family on Zoom. I've talked about this before. I think it's so much fun. Categories is like one of my favorite games ever. I just love it. And the way when we play on Zoom with his family, there's always a lot of wine, everybody gets pretty tipsy, and it always ends with just a lot of laughter and fun. That's like one of the only Zoom calls that I didn't get over having. So I used a Giving Girl like box and then a Planning World wine glass. I also made these mango like kind of pokey inspired bowls, even though I didn't have pokey. Wish I did, but I marked that with a Crafts by Towie sticker because those were super good that night. And then here I am marking that we were bottling our Cab Sauv or Cabernet Sauvignon, which I've mentioned this before, but my family and our family friends, we make a wine. It's called Five Daughters, and because of COVID stuff, we couldn't, normally when we bottle our wine, it's like we rent out this big kind of like machine that comes on like a bus, and it's totally automated, and it does kind of the whole thing from bottling, corking, putting on the label, putting it into cases. Like it's totally automated and it does the whole thing for us. But this, because of the COVID stuff, that wasn't an option. So we had to go up to Napa with our families and actually bottle it by hand and cork it, label it, the whole thing all by hand. So that's a very special vintage of our wine because we kind of put in a lot of manual labor and love to do that. So that was really fun. We had a great time doing it, and it was one of the first times, I think maybe the first time I actually got out of my house. It was very safe, like very socially distanced. Everybody was outdoors, we were far apart, whatever, but just we picnicked and we were just like out in a winery, and it was the first time that I like did something outside of my house or my parents or Steven's parents' house for the whole time. So that was great. That was a really great day. I also marked a Zoom call with the Crafts by Towie stickers. Two of my best friends graduated. They got their law degrees this day from Georgetown and from Berkeley. They're super smart. So we did a Zoom call to celebrate them. I found out another one of my really good friends is pregnant this day. So exciting. So I used a baby carriage from White Deer Stationery and a Giving Girl bow over top that to mark that. I cried. I was so excited to find that out. And then we also, my cousin and his friend, they always stop stop at our house on their, they drive up from Southern California to Oregon, and that's where they go to college, and they always stop at my parents' house on the way there and back. So they were over, and so we went over to my parents' house after we did the bottling for dinner to hang out with them for a little bit. And I used a Crafts by Towie sticker for that too. So Saturday was a very fun, kind of fulfilling day. Okay, and then on to Sunday. Sunday was a much more chill, kind of my usual Sunday, filming, editing, voiceover, you know, the whole planner thing. Most of those stickers are from the kit, except for that film script, I think, is from Magic Prince Co. Yeah, I think so. And then I also marked that I did an at-home pedicure. I don't think this was the first time I did it, but I think it was maybe the second time I did it. Again, I think I said this in one of my videos. If not, I literally haven't painted my own toenails since I was in high school. I am such a pedicure person. This has been hard for me, this whole salon's closed. And I don't want to, like, I don't say that lightly and jokingly. It's important that salons are closed. I would not want to put anybody in danger, but, you know, just lightheartedly, I've had trouble trying to do my own toes. I do my own nails all the time, but toes are just a whole nother thing. I don't know. So marked the pedicure with a GP Sticker Studio bottle, and I added the Giving Girl bow. Again, I have a coupon code for the GP Studio. I keep saying GP Sticker Studio, but it's the GP Studio now. It is Lauren PR20. And then I also marked meal prepping with the Giving Girl, like the label bowstring box, I think it's called. I didn't add any icons, which is very unlike me. I just left it as it is, and then I took this piece of washi and I cut it down just to add more of the florals on the bottom there. And then I took a Sadie Stickers little divider and I layered it on top to kind of foil it a little bit, and of course add a bow. And then that's it. This is the whole spread. I think that it turned out really well. I really enjoyed it. Again, I just was missing the rose gold foil, and I love the pink and the rose gold. It feels springy, but I also feel like this kit is totally an anytime kit, and it's good kind of transitioning into like the summer. I don't know, like middle of May is kind of not really spring, not really summer. So a good time for just like a floral anytime kit, I think. But other than that, I don't have too much else to say. Thank you so much if you watched the whole video. I really appreciate you so much. I hope you're staying really safe and well and keeping everyone around you really safe and well. And that's all from me. Thanks. Bye.